If you don't control your mind will control your entire life. And the worst part is, you don't even realize it's happening. You wake up, you have plans, you have goals, but somehow you don't do them. Laziness comes, distractions comes, thoughts never stop. Anger, sadness, restlessness, doubt. They are controlling your mind every single day. These are not small things. Right now, stop. Just observe your mind. What is it doing? Is it calm or running non-stop? Did you choose those thoughts? Or did they just appear? If you can observe your mind, then you are not your mind. And if you are not your mind, you can train it. But most people never learn how. So they follow whatever their mind says, with no direction, no control, no real progress. But you can change that. This is not motivation. This is training. And this is where it begins. Next episode, we take the first real step. Follow. If you are ready to take control,